All right, I'm here with Hernâni. He just gave his talk. Can you give me some information about the talk that you just gave?
Okay, let me try and do that briefly. So I gave two talks, as I told you. The first one had to do with the more functional part of the continuous delivery. Continuous delivery with ODC. We were focused on giving awareness over the changes that delivery teams need to perform to be able to do it with ODC and this new delivery methodology that we're promoting. The second one was a more, I'd say, in-depth kind of talk regarding the technical side of things. So you're probably going to ask me, but let me jump again. So in the first one, we talked more about how you have to change the mindset for delivering small batches instead of what we usually do in the traditional world of agile deliveries, where you finish your sprint and you deliver a huge chunk of code to QA testers. And when you push that code to production, for example, it's immediately and readily available to the end users. So we're now shifting a little bit the mindset of our development teams to first break those huge chunks into smaller batches, into smaller pieces, but also go to production more frequently, deliver more frequently. And that brings challenges as well, right? First of all, it actually brings fulfillment. It brings this sense of achievement that you're able to deliver several things in a short time frame, but it definitely brings challenges. The first one being quality. So you're very fast, you're delivering several things. You need to have a strong hold on quality. You need to make sure that architecture decisions, the quality of your code is spot on. And that makes it so that architects, tech leads, developers, they need to work together on architecture and code reviews, but also that you have test automation in place.
Yes.
And that brings something to the development teams, and especially to the developers, that they're not that used to in the traditional agile delivery, which is they have to actually build code for tests. Okay,
sure.
So that's one of the challenges. The second one is, how do you deal with protecting features that are already in production from code that's not supposed to be released yet?
Yes.
And that's one of the keys of the second talk, which is feature toggling. It's something that we're passionate about. And we have an amazing tool that we've released to the community. I hope everyone uses it. But it actually allows you to hide code that's either unfinished or simply not supposed to be released yet, but it's in production. You just don't want your end users to actually have it in their hands. The features, they're not available. So if I had to sum it up, I think that was basically it. Yeah.
Well, let me ask you this. So what feature in OutSystems helps make DevOps or continuous delivery easier for you?
Okay, absolutely. So there's the ones that we give out of the box. So ODC allows you to completely abstract from several operational tasks, several duties or responsibilities that the development teams also had to worry about, like auto-scaling, infra management, version control, lifecycle. It allows you to deploy applications very swiftly. It's very easy. But there's also a bunch of tools that they're still out of the box, like the Mentor, Mentor suite of tools that brings you code quality. I'm not even going to go into the code generation part, but the code quality is something that, as I told you previously, you have to have a strong hold on quality, and the tool is there to help us out with that. Now, there's also others that, for example, us as a professional services organization, we tend to develop to help the community and to actually, we usually say that we eat our own dog food. So we actually use those tools to do our own delivery. So we make sure that they are they are fit for purpose, that they are top-notch quality, and as soon as they were validated that they're useful for us as well, we release them to the community. One great example of that is the feature toggling.
Okay.
Which you probably have noticed I'm passionate about.
Yes. Well, let me ask you this one last question.
Sure.
So we have one more day here at the conference. Is there any other talks that you are interested in?
I'm so excited about the experts track.
The experts track. Okay.
Yeah, and I'm not just saying it because I'm the track owner. but
Shameless plug.
Yeah, shameless plug. But there's some of, just talking about the people, the presenters, some of the most talented people I've ever worked with in my career. They know a lot, and not just a lot about OutSystems. They know a lot about DevOps. They know a lot about development, architecture. They know a lot about everything. Okay.
Yeah.
We're going to cover stuff like what I just said, DevOps. We're going to talk about how to use AI to actually be more efficient and develop faster. We're going to talk about so many things. I'm really looking forward to tomorrow's session in the forum room, starting at 11 a.m.
Go check it out. Hernâni, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Pleasure. Thank
Yes, we'll see you around.
Thank you.